Hey everybody, I am going to be doing a quick video on the Alchemy Acrylic paints. Somebody asked me a few days ago if I had a video on the differences between the paints, and I don't, so I thought I would do a quick video for you guys because I'm pretty sure there might be somebody else out there that is curious about the paints. So they come in these little bottles here, and there is 17 ounces or 50 milliliters. And there is a lot of paint. It doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're using them for like mixed media and different things like that, then they go a long way, because I've had mine for a long time, and some of them I use all the time, like the this one right here, the light patina. It's probably about, you know, maybe a third. There's like a third left, and I use it all the time. So you know, it can last you depending on how much you use it. Anyways, so there is the Opal Magic acrylic paint, there's the metallic acrylic paint, and then there's the Sparks acrylic paint. The Opal Magic, it is, I'll show you first. There is tons of different colors. And let me see, I'm trying to find, I had them all nice and organized, and then I moved them. And alright, I think that's it for the Opal Magic. So what it is there's two different, excuse my nails, I definitely need to paint them, but there's two different colors on here. So rose, like a pinkish, and then gold. So on one, on white, I should say, it's going to show up one color, okay, and then on black, it's going to show up a different color. Isn't that cool? So here's the rose color, and here's the gold. So hence the Opal Magic. I love them. Alright, let me just dry this off really quickly. Alright, so this one is the rose gold, and it is really pretty. It's got a nice shimmer to it. And then let's do the aqua rose. I don't even think some of these I've even opened. So this one is a rose again, and then on this one, it's like a blue teal color, like aqua. Really pretty color. Oh, can't even see that. There you go. Super cool. Alright, I'm just wiping my brush off. Alright, and let's do one more. I'm not going to go through all of them because there is so many different ones, but I do want to show just a few so you guys get an idea, and I will have the links to all of the supplies down below. So let's do yellow blue. Alright, so here's yellow on the white, okay, and then we'll have blue on the black. So really cool. The Opal Magic acrylic paint is really neat, and there's so many different things you can do with it. Alright, let's move on to the metallic. So these come in a variety of colors, and I'm not going to open that one up. Let's see if there's a different one that I can use. There is some that are like this is like a copper color, and then there's ones that are actually just like blues and pinks and, you know, different colors like that. So there isn't really any magic to these, but I am going to show you on the white and then I'll show you on the black. So they are very vibrant. Okay. And then you can paint over, you know, other colors, and because they're acrylic paint, they dry really, really fast. And I have seen lots of people kind of add a little bit of the color and then spritz it with a little bit of water to help it flow nicer and to thin it out a bit to make it a little bit more like a watercolor effect. So that's really neat as well. All right, so there is a ton of beautiful colors. So this one's Plum Preserves, which is probably one of my favorites. All right, so this one's the Plum Preserves, just super, super pretty. And I'm just gonna go on the black here. Okay, so that's that one. All right, again, the metallic color, there's so many different colors. So this one is Coral Reef. This one's White Pearl. There's Light Patina, Emerald Green. There's just so many different colors. And I have probably at least 15 or 20 colors off camera. But like I said, I'm not going to show them all, but I just wanted to show a couple so that you guys can see the differences between them. And the next one is going to be the Sparks paint, and these are super gorgeous. So these have tons of shimmer. So let's see if I can find a color similar. All right, so this one here is going to be Vintage Rose. And it's the only pink that I have. So this one is like, it has a little bit of sheen to it, but the Sparks paint has, it's not glitter. I'm not gonna say glitter because there's not chunks of glitter in there, but it's definitely more shimmery than the regular metallic paint. Let me close these up so I could show you guys up close. And I love the names on these, the Sparks paint. This one is called Butterfly Spells, and this one is one of my favorites. And let me just show you really quickly. So when the light catches that, you see that this one has so much more shimmer to it. It's hard to tell on camera, but I wish you guys can see them. All right, let me just do a little bit on black cardstock so you guys can see. Maybe that will help a little bit better. So you guys can see the shimmer. Super pretty. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to see, but I think you guys can definitely kind of see the difference, at least a little bit anyways. All right, let me just clean off my brush here. And we'll do one more. Let's do Mermaid Sparkle, which is another one of my favorites. And I love the name. All right, so there's the white and here's the black. And I think there's even more colors now, actually. All right, so you could see the difference between the regular metallic and then the Sparks paint. Very, very shimmery. All right, we're gonna do one more Sparks paint just because they're super pretty and I love the names. All right, there's just tons of dried up gunk on the sides of these. All right, this one is, what was this one? This one's Unicorn's Hair. And I don't have all of them either, so there's lots of different ones to choose from. And we'll do just like that. I'm going to close this up, or else I'll probably end up spilling it all over myself. All right. Just going to show once more. All right. And I'm going to actually break out the Impasto paints while I'm showing you guys the paints, just for the fun of it. All right, so these came out maybe 6 months ago, I want to say, somewhere around there, but they are just acrylic paint. They're really heavy bodied acrylic paint, and move those over there. All right, so I haven't used them that often, but they're really pretty and the colors are really gorgeous. So let me just show you. So as you could see, hopefully, it's very thick. I do have water on my brush too, so I mean, if you wanted to cover something up, you definitely could. And just because, we're gonna put some on the black. So the Impasto paints are amazing as well. And if you're not into the shimmer and shine, then the Impasto paints are probably your way to go. Or if you do a lot of acrylic painting, these are probably gonna be like your base, and then you can always get some of the metallic paints for a little bit of detail and just to add interest to your paintings. I'm not a painter, so I have these just for mixed media, so they'll last me quite a while. And yeah, there is tons of different colors in the Impasto paints. I'm not even showing you guys on camera. And this one is Heather, this one's Jade, and I pulled out a few. Raspberry Pink, there's Crimson, there's Aubergine, I think that's how you say that, Poppy Red. I mean, there's so many different colors, so really nice. And I like to, if you have like a pegboard, you can hang these on your pegboard. They stand up really nicely. I just have them in a drawer with all of my other acrylic paints. So yeah, I hope that was helpful in some way. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and share it on social media and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.